Hey guys, it's been a few days. Quick update on Bitcoin. So we decided to trade sideways for a few days, and the expectation right now is still bullish. We expect to test the 7,150 price again, and then break this resistance, and then test the 7,500 to 7,600 range, because this was the prior resistance back in July. And the expectation again is that we will test this, fail, retrace, and then test again, and then break the resistance, and then test the previous high back in July. So similar to what happened over here, we tested the 7,100 range, which was established as resistance during previous days, because this was the prior support, which becomes resistance right now. So the same applies to 7,500 to 7,600. The expectation is that since this became a very strong resistance back in July and back in June, the expectation is that it will establish as a key resistance level again in September or in October. But the trend is still bullish, so a retracement is expected, but then again the bullishness will continue and then test the 8,500 range. I won't show the indicators here, but OBV is looking healthy. MACD on the 4-hour is about to turn bullish. So there are a lot of positive indicators, including the fact that we seem to be in a quite a small pendant over here, and then about to break the have a breakout to the downside or to the upside. No one knows for sure, but the probability is on the bullish side, since the indicators lean bullish and the trend looks bullish, and um, volume looks healthy. I haven't shown it over here, but if I show the volume here, it will be basically a declining volume uh, from the December high to, say, I believe it was over here back in May, and then we saw a slow increasing volume ever since May. So volume precedes price, and volume is increasing, so we expect price to follow through. So this is what I expect, and again, in my previous videos, I said that I do not see this as a quadruple bottom or a triple bottom. I said that this bottom doesn't seem to be a it seemed to be an anomaly, and then this bottom is not a bottom. It's a test, so it's not a bottom. This is a bottom because it's a healthy progressive bottom, not a climatic spring bottom over here. And we established a double bottom over here, and the trend right now is confirming this. It isn't 100 confirmation, but it's beginning to confirm that this is a double bottom. So the accumulation seems to be ending. We expect it to, since we have been in this trading range for at least 7 months now. And September is the worst performing trading month on the stock markets. And if the stock markets have a retracement, a correction, then it might be an indication that that money will flow into the Bitcoin market and gold and silver market. Just speculation. No one knows for sure. Uh, but we see some bearish signs on the stock markets. It seems to be in distribution. There's no confirmation yet, but have to take that in mind. But even if stock markets go up, it means that toleration is high. Risk tolerance is high. So we also expect Bitcoin to go up. But if the stock markets go down, then no one knows for sure. Money might flow through to Bitcoin, since the supply is capped, and people might see it as a safe haven. But we have to see. No one knows for sure. So just a quick update on Bitcoin, and see you guys next time.